back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, I'm Cindy, and today I'll be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. I love it so much. It's purpley, it's pinkish, and I look like a total ABG. So if you want to see how I turned into this ABG type of makeup, please keep on watching. First things first, I'm using this primer by Revlon. It's the Photoready primer, and I'm just smearing it all over my face, making sure I don't got no pores that are exposed. And then I added some concealer just to spot treat and spot cover my pimples since I'm breaking out so much right now. I'm just gonna be leaving all the concealers on my skin before I apply some foundation, so just let it dry so that it really doesn't move when you're applying your foundation later on. Here I'm using the Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer in shade Honey. When I'm done applying, I let my concealers dry and then I continue with my eyes. For my eyes, I'm using this eyeshadow palette called Beauty Creations in the collection Tease Me, and has really nice warm colors with some glitters. And I'm just here using the transition shade. I'm sorry, it's kind of off camera because I'm stupid. But here I'm applying it in the V motion, making sure that I can lay down the template first and having that outer V that I think is really flattering to my eye shape. So if you have similar eyes like me, it's almost like almond eyes. Trick is just to blend and until you're satisfied with how it looks. And then I'm using this kind of purpley shade just to add more depth to my eyes. I just keep on adding the color until I'm satisfied, and I keep blending it, making sure that I like how it looks. And I use a clean brush. I use a clean brush and just kind of blend all the colors so that I don't look like a clown. And then I'm using this Golden State of Mind palette by ColourPop, and then also adding similar hues like this one, also kind of purplish but also dark cool tone. And I'm adding it onto my lid because it has a really nice shimmer to it, so it really helps your eyes pop more, and I really like that. Still from the same ColourPop palette, I'm adding this white-ish shade, and since my brush has residue from the purple one, it adds in this kind of pinkish eyeshadow. And then just adding that shade that I created in the inner ducts of my eyes. I'm sorry you can't see, also because I'm stupid, but this is what it kind of looks like. And then I'm adding this brownish shade just so it looks more presentable. And then I'm adding some eyeliner to this look because who doesn't love a good wing liner, right? Okay. Anyways, I'm stupid because I'm covering my face with this giant ass mirror, but this is what the wing looks like, kind of. To the wings, I'm putting on some eyelashes. This is not an ABG look without some nice eyelashes. And then I proceeded into adding a foundation. Here I'm using the Superstay foundation by Maybelline. I'm in the shade 128, which I love. I actually might like this one better than their L'Oreal Pro Matte, and that says a lot because I've been using that foundation since forever, and this is pretty new to the beauty industry, so I think that's pretty cool. I'm using this beauty sponge by Matte for Makeup. It's an Indonesian brand, but I hope you can get your hands on it because I love it. It is super bouncy. And next on, I'm gonna be using this concealer stick by Maybelline. It's the V Contour Stick. I got this for a really good deal at a factory outlet, I'm sorry. And then I just chisel my cheekbones and my nose and my jawlines, but I don't find this one actually that shazam bam. It's pretty natural looking in my opinion, but I think it's still a good contour stick. I like this one better than the next OG contour stick, if you know what I'm talking about. It's like one of the first ever contour sticks that they have on the market. And then I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I know I already have a lot of them. I'm just adding it just so that I can fit in. I'm kidding, but I just added to define my arch and just filling in some sparse areas that I have. Peace. And then here I'm just looking for my shit because I don't have my stuff together. Just kidding. I'm here adding some concealer on the bottom of my eyebrows and on the top just so I can sculpt it more. And then I'm just blending away some of the areas that needed to be blended. Next on the menu, lips. I'm adding this lip gloss from Colourpop in the shade Aquarius. If you're an ABG, you need to have that lips poppin'. But I'm using this one by Aquarius so that I can still have that nude vibe, you know. And I really like the shade. It makes me look like I'm in Vegas for some reason. But I don't think it's enough, so I'm gonna add this one called Spirit by NYX's Lingerie lip gloss. I think it's pretty nude too. Oh shit, I forgot something. I forgot to lip line my lips. I gotta make it pouty because who doesn't love a good pouty lip? And then I went on to add some more lip color since I don't think it's enough. So I'm here adding the Beeper shade by Colourpop. It's one of the original ones. If you've been in this world for a long time, you know what it is. And then I'm using this MAC, actually it's a powder, but I'm using it as a bronzer. It's the A44 shade. It's really nice and warm and chocolatey. I love it. And I'm just contouring my nose a little bit on the side so it looks more sculpted and photo ready, because I'm here out trying to blur it up, you know. Don't forget to use a fluffy brush and grab some powder that mattifies your whole face, because we Asian girls be looking super oily here, and you don't want to be oily because you're not that type of, yeah. Anyways, just making sure that my face is not oily and mattify the hell out of it. It's not a complete look without some crazy looking highlight. I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. I love it. It's so extra. It's the gold shade. I don't remember what the name is, but I'm gonna link it down below. I'm just adding it on the temples of my face, my cheekbones, just the high points of my face so that it looks glam bam. And adding it on my nose, on my forehead, a little bit on the tops of my cupid's bow. And that is it for my look. I'm now ready to get some boba in my Uggs. And yeah, this eyelashes is giving me life though. Don't you think so? So that is it for my video. I hope you learned something today. I hope you learned how to create this makeup look. It's super simple in my opinion. It's not like science, you know. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down below on what other kinds of videos you want to see, or if you want to see me do product review, let me know. And that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.